welcome to Online Cues, your YouTube channel for online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can tag your friends on your Instagram video. Now the traditional way of tagging your friends was, typing their handle name in the caption of your Instagram video or picture. Now you can do that directly by tagging them on the video itself. So the first thing that you would have to do is run the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your Instagram with your correct Instagram handle, and then click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, which is to add any photo or video that you might have. So when a video is appeared, you kind of click on it, and then you can click on any filter of your that appears for your video. You can kind of use the filter on your video as well. Then click on next when you're done selecting the filter, and write a caption. And then from here, instead of typing your friend's handle name on the caption box over here, you can kind of click on tab friends. So search for users, and when you're done tagging, click on the tick icon, and then you can share the video. So you can see that your friend is tagged on the video, view tags. So instead of tagging your friends from the caption option, you can now do it directly on your video itself when you share the video on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.